In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the PopConvert pop-ups app in Shopify, a great tool for enhancing your store's marketing techniques. Sit back, relax, and let's dive right into the process. First things first, you'll want to go ahead and open your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're there, take a look over at the left-hand side of your screen. You should see a number of different options lined up vertically. Among these, you'll find the one labeled Apps. Go ahead and click on this to access the Shopify App Store. The App Store is an incredibly powerful resource for Shopify store owners, brimming with all sorts of tools designed to help you manage and grow your business more effectively. Now that you're inside the Apps section, let's move on to the next step. There will be a search bar usually located at the top of the page. It's here where you'll type in the term PopConvert. What we're trying to do is find the specific pop-ups app that can boost engagement with your store visitors by creating impactful and timed messages. Once you type in PopConvert and press enter, the search will produce a number of results. You'll want to look for the app titled PopConvert Pop-ups. When you spot it, go ahead and click on the app to open its page. Now that we're on the app's dedicated page, you'll see several options and features listed that outline what the app can do for your store. This is not only a good opportunity to confirm you have the right app, but also to get a sense of what it offers in terms of functionality. Look around to familiarize yourself. When you're ready and confident that this is the tool you want, you should see a button, usually quite prominent, that says Install. Click on it. Once you've clicked Install, Shopify may ask for your confirmation or permission to proceed. Providing your consent allows the app to integrate with your store, where it can start making all those wonderful pop-up functionalities available for you to customize. After confirming, you'll be walked through their setup steps. This setup phase is where the magic starts happening. It may include connecting your user account, selecting specific designs, choosing triggers for your pop-ups, or even specifying the marketing goals you wish to achieve. And just like that, you're done. You've now successfully installed the PopConvert pop-ups app on your Shopify store. This app is now ready to help you improve customer engagement while potentially driving more conversions. As you start setting things up, remember that experimentation is key. Adjust your strategies, revise your designs, and try different options until you find what works best for your store's audience. With PopConvert, the possibilities are vast, so go ahead and explore all that it has to offer. Thanks for tuning in, and happy selling!